one out is also Ola Electric, not performing well for some time, Hormaz. And, obviously we've seen those higher discounts coming in. There were brokerage notes that came in on that front as well. Today, although the stock is down 8%. So, specific reasons that one should be highlighting. It's getting electrocuted in trade for a while now.
Well, it's not been a single day, right, since it listed that the stock has not been in the use. To almost 2 months now to its listing for Ola Electric, listed at its IPO price of 76, and within a few days, it is on the 20th of August, it made a post-listing high of 157. It was more than double of its IPO price, and since then the stock is now 43% lower from its post-listing peak, and that is the significant downfall that we've seen. A part of that reason also comes because of the fears of the loss in market share that Ola Electric is having. It started off the year with almost a 50% market share, that is almost half now to 25%. And where is it losing market share to? To the legacy players, of course. Bajaj and TVS been ramping up their EV operations. Bajaj Auto has made some significant commentary as well with regards to their EV operations. Both started off the year at around 12%. Now both of them are at 20% each. So losing market share is one reason why Ola Electric is facing some pressure on the street. We spoke to Bhavish Agarwal as well last month, and he mentioned about this profitability as well. They reported a net loss in the first quarter after the listing. They mentioned that they're very close to break even on the EBITDA level, is what he said, and the market share and the situation will improve as their penetration increases, is what he had mentioned. But the current furor over Ola Electric right now is with regards to its customer service, and a lot of social media has been abuzz with this. And HSBC just last month, just a few days ago, had come out with this note that they had visited multiple Ola Electric showrooms which were overwhelmed with a lot of these services requests, and there is an acute shortage of skilled manpower in a lot of these service centers. And they've said that this service quality is one aspect that Ola Electric will have to improve before it launches its motorcycles in the market. That is one thing that HSBC had mentioned, and as if that they've taken multiple steps to improve those problems, and they are transitory, and as a result of which they still have a buy rating on the stock. But this is because of this that there is, even yesterday there was a lot of talk on social media with regards to Ola Electric, and that's showing up in the stock price as well. 9% lower now, well below that mark of 100, and almost 45% below its post-listing peak.
Oh, that's a sharp fall that we're seeing coming in. But that one point you highlighted also in terms of service and skilled service required, labor, that is something that becomes a worry for EV because it's a newer place as well. But that's Ola Electric. Let's move on.